All right, y'all, for today's video, we are making my version of easy dirty rice. I mean, it was so easy because for one, I had meat left over from when I made the queso. So I used that, added some sausage in, and the ingredients that you're about to see next. As you can see here, I made some rice. I'm cooking my sausage. There is the beef that I already seasoned from the day before. I'm adding some bell pepper. And then I'm going to use these seasonings here: onion powder, garlic powder, Creole, Cajun, and some cream of chicken. It's better to use chicken broth, but I didn't have any, so I just went ahead and went with this. I have added in my ground beef, my soup, a cup of that. I'm going to add my spices. Now, I don't want to use too much seasoning. Remember, my meat was already done. My rice, I could have cooked all of this down with the rice. I like a lot of garlic. The thing about this right here is it has salt, spices, paprika, red pepper, thyme, black pepper, celery seed, garlic, and onion. And it literally only takes just a pinch. Okay, so dirty rice calls for each ingredient that's in the seasoning. That's why I wanted to point that out to y'all. All right, so I added more water after I added all of my seasonings in. And now I'm going to let this simmer with the lid on. It smells amazing in here. I used a little too much water, but that's okay. It's still seasoned to perfection. So I'm gonna start mixing this in with my rice now that the seasonings are all mixed in and it's all tender.
Delicious. This is so good.
This is so.
What do you rate it?
So
Off the charts. Off the charts.
And they aren't lying. They ate the entire pot.